Have you ever wondered how complete beginners are building apps that generate thousands of dollars per month without writing a single line of code? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a profitable app using just one AI tool. And in this screenshot, you can see the proof of the revenue it's generating from the app that we are about to copy. Most people think that you need years of coding experience or a computer science degree to build profitable apps, but that's completely wrong. The truth is, there is now an AI coding tool so powerful that it can build entire applications for you from scratch. And I'm talking about Claude Code, and it's honestly the best AI tool available right now. In this video, I'll walk you through my exact step-by-step process for how I copied a successful app, added premium features with Stripe integration, and created something that generates serious revenue. You'll discover the 3 key strategies that I use to identify a winning app to replicate, how AI built the entire application without me touching a single line of code, and the exact monetization method that turns free users into paying customers. Plus, I'll show you the one critical mistake that 99% of people make while trying to build apps with AI, and how avoiding it can be the difference between failure and a $10,000 per month success. By the way, I'm Cindy, and I've been using AI tools to build profitable digital products, and this method has completely changed how I think about app development. So, if you ever wanted to build your own app but thought that you needed so many technical skills, this video will prove you wrong. So let's start right away. So the first thing we want is a working layout, something visual to start shaping the app. Nothing detailed yet, just a simple mobile-friendly structure with all the key sections in one place. This gives us a solid foundation before diving into any real functionality. To get that going, let's tell Claude, "Hi Claude, let's build an awesome food nutrition tracker app. Let's start with the basics first. Please build a simple web app that's mobile UI that has all the sections and tabs that we need. Please create and open a project file for this and install all necessary dependencies." A very important disclaimer. Building apps and making money online isn't easy despite what other YouTubers are saying. When I show you how to build an app, I'm demonstrating the technical process and potential, but not guaranteeing your results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but success depends on your execution and timing, and honestly, sometimes luck. Most apps don't make money immediately, and many apps don't make money at all. So I'm not promising you that you will get rich or you should quit your job. This isn't financial advice or get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools. What you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set, let's continue to building the app. Claude sets everything up and launches a clean project right away. The app loads locally and shows a modern mobile native interface with 5 main sections already laid out. It's all placeholder content for now, but that's expected at this stage. The design is lightweight, responsive, and gives a clear idea of how the navigation and tab structure will feel once real features are added. Even without the real data yet, the layout gives a strong first impression, and it's a perfect base to build on next. Placeholders are fine for visualizing the layout, but now it's time to make the app feel more usable. One of the most important features in a nutrition tracker is being able to capture or upload photos. You know, whether someone wants to snap a quick meal shot or pull something from their camera roll, this part needs to be reliable. Let's see how Claude handles this one. Great, but now please build a camera and upload function where the user should be able to see their photos taken or photos uploaded afterwards. Claude adds the feature and spins up a working version right away. The app now supports a functioning camera and upload system. Users can take photos directly or choose one to upload, and the app immediately shows the image. Everything responds the way it should, and it already feels like a real step forward from just static placeholders. Jumping into the new photos section, the app data is easy to spot. The interface handles both actions smoothly, and it's clear that the section is no longer just visual, it's interactive. Seeing the camera and upload flow actually working gives the app a more complete feel and sets the tone for what's coming next. Now that the core features are starting to work, the app could use a visual upgrade. Functionality matters, but if the design feels outdated or clunky, users are less likely to stick around. Before building anything new, it's worth improving how the app looks and feels, something more modern, clean, and user-friendly. Let's guide Claude through that. We'll drop in, "Great job, Claude. Now, please update the UI and UX of our app and make it similar to Lean AI. Please make the app more modern and intuitive. Give it a design refresh that will be more appealing to users." That updates the interface and gives the app a fresh, new look inspired by the reference. The layout across all the section now looks more vibrant and refined. Colors are sharper, spacing feels cleaner, and overall the experience is easier on the eyes. Walking through each section, we can really say that the difference is clear. The new design brings a smoother, more intuitive flow. It's still the same app underneath, but now it looks more polished, exactly the kind of visual refresh that helps everything feel more complete. Alright, the layout and the design are all set, so our next step is start layering in real functionality. One of the core features of this app is photo scanning, and to make that work, we're going to connect it to Google Gemini. The goal here is simple. When a user uploads or takes a photo, the app should automatically scan it for nutrition details and show the results. Here's the next thing that we'll run through Claude. Awesome! Now please integrate Google Gemini for the scanning functionality. Whenever the user takes a photo or uploads it, please have Gemini scan for nutrition facts about it, then reflect it in the app. Here's our Gemini API key. Claude handles the integration, and after the update, the app is now connected to Gemini. So every time a photo is captured or uploaded, it gets scanned instantly. Gemini returns the nutrition data, and the app reflects that information clearly. Going through each section again, the flow is still seamless, but now there's an actual feedback from Gemini. I'll try to test the scan using a chicken breast photo. And that shows the feature in action. Gemini reads the image, analyzes it, and sends back nutritional facts that appear directly inside the app. And so now the app finally starts to deliver on its main promise. Now I want to expand Gemini's scanning capabilities to allow the app to provide more detailed nutritional data, including total macros, ingredients, and additional facts. That's why I'm thinking of adding a barcode scanner to make it even easier to log food by scanning packaged items quickly. Let's feed this to Claude and see what comes out. Great job, everything's working. Now please expand and update the scanning scope of Gemini. Please include total macros, additional nutrition data, and ingredients used. Please update the app to show this dynamically. Lastly, please add a barcode scanner. Claude builds these features, and now it includes the expanded nutrition details along with a fully functional barcode scanner. I'll try the barcode scanner with a common item, which is a pepperoni pizza barcode, and that confirms it works as expected. The scanner reads the code, triggers Gemini to fetch the data, and the app updates with all the new nutrition info, making food tracker faster and more comprehensive. Okay, now it's time to put everything to test and see how the app performs across the board. I'll try to go through different sections. Okay, it's definitely easy to scan a barcode, snap a photo of a chicken breast, or upload a pudding picture. Okay, the nutrition facts pop up accurately and the macros update right away in the app. Seeing all this work together really shows how solid the scanning and tracking features have become. The app is shaping up nicely, but there's still room to make it more personal. Expanding the progress tracking lets users see how they are doing over time, with insights into calories, weight changes, and the macro intake. Adding daily, weekly, and monthly reports along the goal setting really helps users stay motivated and on track. Let's drop this into Claude. Great job! Now let's expand further. Please expand the progress reports for the user. Add customized progress tracking, caloric trends, weight progress, macro intake over time. Add daily, weekly, and monthly progress reports, active weight and activity monitoring or logging, and goal tracking for weight loss, muscle gain, or further fitness milestones. Please create the necessary add-ons to build these features, including manual input. Our app now has advanced functionality. Users can scan food and manually input data and also create custom goals. When setting a goal, they can rely on Gemini or use built-in templates to guide them. You can see here that the manual input fields are now available, and the goals section lets users enter their details, set their targets, and choose a time frame. After submitting, Gemini suggests a tailored routine that can be applied directly, making progress tracking both intelligent and personalized. Now, it's time to start bringing users' account into the app by building login and sign-up pages. Using Supabase makes this progress straightforward, but first, Claude needs to set up those pages along with all the functions and dependencies required to connect everything smoothly. Now, it's time to start bringing user accounts into the app by building login and sign-up pages. Using Supabase makes this process straightforward, but first, Claude needs to send those pages along with all the functions and dependencies required to connect everything smoothly. We'll have Claude build this part next. Great! Now please create a login and sign up page and create the necessary functions and import the dependencies and integrate in Supabase. Claude completes the integration, setting up Supabase within the project and building the login and sign up pages. With that done, the foundation for user authentication is ready, and the next focus will be writing the queries and building out the database itself. Like I said earlier, we need to configure the database itself. This means creating a new project in Supabase, running the SQL queries Claude provided earlier, and grabbing the necessary keys to connect everything together. These keys need to be placed in a .env file with a small adjustment from next to vid to match our environment. The process starts by creating the Supabase project, heading over to the SQL editor, and pasting in the queries from Claude. After that, it's time to grab the project URL and enum key from the Connect tab. Although the demo uses Next.js, the key remains the same regardless. Claude just needs to know to update the environment variables accordingly. To finalize, let's tell Claude this. Great, thanks. Now here's the keys. Just change next to vid and create the .env file. Claude handles the update, and after everything's set, the app has proper Supabase integration. Users' accounts can be created and session data is managed seamlessly. Let's test it out. Here, a new account is created and automatically logged in. Everything works smoothly, confirming that the Supabase connection is fully functional and ready for the next steps. Offering premium features is what takes the app from basic to next level, letting users unlock extra value in advanced tools. But before that can happen, the payment system needs to be set up properly. If this is your first time, it means grabbing the secret and public keys from Supabase, which act like the app's secret handshake with Stripe. This lets the app secretly handle subscriptions and payment behind the scenes. It might feel like a little technical, but getting the step right is what makes sure that the users can upgrade smoothly and trust the process when they decide to go premium. Time to prompt Claude with this. Great job! Now please create a premium upgrade section. Here the user should be able to purchase a monthly pro subscription. Please fill it with premium upgrade data. Here's the Stripe keys. Claude is now handling the premium section, adding all the necessary subscription details. After the update, there is a dedicated area where users can review the premium plan and start the subscription. Right now, the upgrade process works without a hitch. Payments go through instantly and the account updates to premium status right away. It's satisfying to see everything click into place so smoothly, proving the premium features are fully functional and actually ready to use. Alright, it's time to put everything to test and see how all the pieces fit together in real use. From signing up to setting goals and scanning food, this walkthrough makes sure that every feature works as expected and the app feels ready to go. Starting with creating a new account, the sign-up process includes adding personal info and activity levels to get everything set up just right. It's straightforward and gets everything moving quickly. Once inside the app, moving between different tabs and sections feels pretty smooth. The first thing that I'll do is create a goal, and honestly, it's kind of cool how the AI handles everything, putting together a plan that's ready to review and accept everything without extra hassle. Then I'm going to upload a photo of a chicken breast and scan the barcode of a pepperoni pizza. Both came back with a spot-on nutrition info, which is really impressive and reassuring to see. Next up is upgrading to a premium subscription. That updates the account right away and all the premium features unlock instantly, no delay. I don't see any glitches either. Okay, it's satisfying to see that it's all working seamlessly. And that wraps up the full build. Seeing everything run from signing up to scanning, setting goals, and even upgrading to premium makes the whole process feel real. What started as a blank prompt is now a working interactive app. If you've been watching and thinking, wait, I would probably build this too, well, that's because you can. The tools are here and it's way more accessible than it used to be. So if you're curious, try it out, experiment, and make your own. And if this helped or gave you ideas, feel free to stick around. There is more coming. See you in the next video.